100 chicken nuggets, 10 minutes. You down?
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Hey, can I get 100 chicken nuggets?
Okay.
Okay. Is there sweet and sour?
Yeah.
And is there nothing? Okay.
Well, it's not focusing. I don't know why, but
You broke my camera with
Never
your
mind.
face.
Okay guys, you know what's up? We're gonna be doing the 100 chicken nugget challenge. You know it's 10 minutes. If you don't eat them in 10 minutes, well, you have to see how many you can eat in 10 minutes. You have to try to eat all of them. And then Daisy wants to do this thing where you can see how many we'll both eat if we can still eat them after 10 minutes. And then yeah,
Sweet and sour is the way to go.
hot mustard. I'm related to this. And see who man. See who can eat the most.
Okay. I'm calling it. I'm gonna eat like 20 max. Okay. Are you ready? And if you can hear background noise, you can thank my lovely mother for watching a movie in the living room.
And her son, her Asian son.
Disgusting.
He was a con man. It was in his blood.
I got 21.
No.
What did you get?
30.
30. And Jaden got 1. Oh,
It's a mistake.
I was like 14 and everything.
And if I were to be released, I would.
You didn't drink water this whole time?
don't worry, we're not wasting all this. We got people back here that are gonna eat off camera. I think that's a wrap.